Welcome back to our Mindful Expenses tutorial series. In our first video, we covered the basics of getting started, creating a budget, and organizing your transactions. Today, we'll dive into transaction management. Let's get started. Let's create a new transaction. Suppose you've just enjoyed a meal at McDonald's. We'll categorize this under entertainment. Watch how I add this transaction. Now, I'm creating a new label called Dining Out as I save this transaction. Labels like these help you track specific spending habits over time. Let's add some description, and we're done. Next, let's talk about handling transactions in different currencies, a must-have for travelers. Imagine you're eating out in Paris. Here, I enter the cost in euro. Notice how the app automatically converts it to US dollars, ensuring you keep your budget accurate no matter where you are in the world. This feature is crucial for budget-conscious travelers who need to manage expenses in multiple currencies seamlessly. Keeping receipts organized can be a hassle. Let's create a transaction for groceries from Costco in the food category. I can upload a receipt by clicking the Upload button and choosing a file. Alternatively, in a very convenient way, you can take a screenshot of a receipt and then simply paste it from the clipboard. Once you have a receipt copied to your clipboard, press Command-V or Control-V if you're using Windows to add it to the transaction. Perfect for quickly saving digital copies for returns, warranties, or tax purposes. In addition to standard transactions, there may also be recurring ones that are slightly different. Let's use a regular transaction for our electricity bill under Home category. With regular labels like electricity, for example, we can add an extra value in the unit's quantity field for kilowatt hours in this case. You can use this additional field to track any custom value, such as gallons of water, miles you drove, or gallons of gas. By tracking kilowatt hours, for example, the app can provide detailed analytics on energy usage, helping you manage your utility costs more effectively. Mindful Expenses also lets you customize how you organize your expenses. Let's navigate to the Labels interface. Here, you can edit labels, add descriptions, and switch between regular and non-regular label types, tailoring the system to meet your needs. Keep in mind, once a transaction is categorized under a label for a few months in a row, it can automatically become regular. However, you can manually override it here. Today, we've explored several powerful features of Mindful Expenses that can help you manage your finances more efficiently and effectively. Experiment with these tools to see how they can enhance your financial oversight. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments below. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll cover even more features. Happy budgeting!